Hello friends and welcome to day 19 of the Let's Get Blitzin' cocktail advent calendar. Yes, that is right. We only have this week. Christmas Eve is on Friday, which means we should cherish these precious moments shaking and stirring together. Shall we not? We shall. And today we are making the Santa's Vodka Smash. Of course, we are using your favorite Smash products. Georgian Bay Smash, we are using the Raspberry Rhubarb Vodka Smash, as well as their award-winning Georgian Bay Vodka, some freshly squeezed lemon, and rosemary syrup. We'll be serving in a Collins or highball glass with a couple of straws. And if you have them, garnish with 2 or 3 fresh raspberries. I thought I had raspberries, but then I remembered that they're my favorite fruit and I ate them all in a single sitting. So I don't have raspberries. So we are going to imagine, little improv game, imagine we've got raspberries. That's what we're gonna do. Why don't we get started? We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of our Georgian Bay Vodka, named by Forbes magazine in August 2020 as one of the best 10 vodkas in the world. It has won a whole litany of spirits awards, and it's affordable luxury at $34.95, available at the SIQ and other provincial liquor retailers. 1.5 ounces of Georgian Bay vodka, 1/3 ounce of rosemary syrup. I think, if you're interested, I will ask afterwards as well, that I might share a few of my favorite holiday meal recipes with you, not just those of my own creation, but those that I have made and loved as well. What do you say? Would you like that? Would you like a little roundup from yours truly on things to consume this holiday season when you're stuck at home, nothing to do but to cook and shake and stir? At 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon. Let me know if you're interested. You know, I'll share some of my favorites with you, favorite sides, mains, desserts, the whole kit and caboodle. I can tell you right now there will be a lot of recipes from the LCBO Food and Drink magazine, because that is my flavor Bible. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice in there. We're going to shake these ingredients. Do not include your Raspberry Rhubarb Vodka Smash unless you want it to explode on you. I don't think you do. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, in spite of the insanity that is now. You know, I have to tell you, I think that this particular hell is getting a little bit stale. So, you know, bring on something new. Sharknado, maybe just for a change of scenery. Anything really at this point. I think we're a little bit fatigued, a little bit fed up with the current state of the world. Topping 2 or 3 ounces of our Raspberry Rhubarb Vodka Smash. There you go. You can of course drink the rest later. A couple of straws, imaginary raspberries, 3 of them skewered on a beautiful cocktail. Like, ooh, Yvonne, you're fancy. Look at how beautiful. I know. And of course I'm wearing red to match the imaginary raspberries, and the straw in my signature bold red lip. Everyone's favorite. I would say, would you say? That's one of my signatures, a bold lip, some cat eye. I'm a creature of habit, what can I tell you? Let's see how we did. Santa's Vodka Smash. Let's give it a little stir. We want to distribute our Raspberry Rhubarb Vodka Smash, so it's not all on the top. We want to make sure that it's sort of incorporated. Candy! So tasty. So delectable. I think you're gonna love this one, my friends. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for day 20. Doing a little mezcal and cointreau cocktail tomorrow, so look forward to that, and make sure you start infusing your mezcal with your rooibos chai tea at least an hour before we begin happy hour tomorrow evening. Friendly reminder, I will see you then.